Welcome, chess friends, to a new chessboard review. Today we have the Chessnut Air. So the Chessnut Air comes in a nice wood frame. So it has a real wood frame. It has USB-C for charging and Bluetooth connectivity. So you can easily connect it with iOS and Android devices. So the next item in the box is the USB-C cable. So you can use that for charging. The pieces come in these nice piece bags. So you have two piece bags, one for the white, one for the black pieces. And you got all your 16 pieces together with an extra queen. So let's put the pieces on the board first. Afterwards, I will show you every piece in detail. So you can see the pawn, the bishop, the knight, and the rook, as well as the king and the queen. The pieces feel pretty great. They are made out of plastic, but they feel quite good. So that is the pawn. So the pawn looks like a pawn. But I think they are not too small. So the pieces are small, the whole board is small, but not too small, I would say. So let's take a look at the rook. So the rook looks pretty nice too. Yeah, it looks like a rook, I would say. The knight. It's quite a detailed knight, I would say. It's quite nice. The bishop. All of these pieces have like a fabric bottom thing. So they slide quite good over the chessboard. It's like it's satin, feel like fabric. So the queen. And let's take a look at the king. Here we go. Yeah, it's kind of like a satin fabric. Okay, nice. So let's put the white pieces on the board too, and then try out the board. By the way, the board comes with full piece detection, so every piece is detected by the board. That means the board can distinguish between pawn, king, white, black. It knows really which piece is on which square. Not only there's a piece, but it also knows which piece is on the square. So now let's connect it with the WhitePawn app to show you the functionality of the board and how nicely it connects with the apps. So it's fully compatible with the WhitePawn app, so you can connect it and you will see all the pieces and everything. You can connect it by Bluetooth, you can connect it with iOS and Android because it has Bluetooth Low Energy. So you can play online against lead chess opponents, or you can play offline against engines, or you can also just record your game. We will play against an engine and start the game. So you see how fast the moves are recognized, and the moves by the opponent are indicated by light indicators in every square. So there's a green light indicator in every square, so you can see which move the opponent does. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments. Cheers.